Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Badak and I am a student currently pursuing BBA from MERI College Janakpuri. Today in this video we will be discussing national income. What is national income? The national income is the total amount of income generated in a company from economic activities in a year. It includes payment made to all resources either in form of wages, interest, rent and profit. The progress of a country can be determined by the growth of the national income of the country. Methods of calculating national income. There are three different methods of calculating national income. First is income method, second is expenditure method, third is output method or value added method. First method is income method. The income method of calculating national income focus on production perspective. Now, production of good and services involves use of land, labor, capital and so on. And if we consider these factors of production, income is generated via rent, wages and salaries, etc. We can then calculate national income by adding all these type of income. Another important source of income is mixed income. Mixed income refers to the income generated by self-employed professionals and sole proprietors. According to income method, national income is calculated by adding rent, wages, interest and mixed income. The income method, however, does not consider transfer payment, prize money, lottery, illegal money, profit tax and sales of second hand good. Next method is expenditure method. Expenditure method of calculating national income focus on expenditure. Now expenditure refers to all the purchase made by resident, government or business enterprises. The expenditure method take the following element into consideration: purchase of consumer good and services by residential household, which is denoted by C; government expenditure on goods and services, which is denoted by G; business enterprises expenditure on capital goods and stock, that is denoted by I; net export minus import, that is denoted by NX. Has the formula for calculating national income by expenditure method: C consumer expenditure plus government expenditure G plus industrial expenditure I plus NX your net export. However, expenditure method excludes expenditure on second hand goods and purchase of shares and bonds. Next method is value added method. The value added method of calculating national income focus on value added of a product at each stage of production. To calculate the national income using this method, we have to first calculate the net value added at factor cost, that your factor cost, and calculate the NVAFC, net value at factor cost. We will have to deduct the net direct taxes. Usually this method involves dividing the economy into various industries such as agriculture, fishing, transport, communication and so on. Then by calculating the value added, net value added at factor cost at each stage, we can derive the national income. Now, since this method concentrate on the net value added by each component, we would need to exclude or subtract the following element from the output of each enterprises: consumption of raw material, consumption of capital, net indirect taxes. Now, if we add the net value added at factor cost of all enterprises of an industry, we get the net value added at factor cost for the industry, and By adding the NVAFC of all industries, we get the net domestic product and at factor cost, and it represents as NDPFC. And to this, if we add the net factor income from abroad, we get our national income. Hence, according to value added method, national income is equals to NDP at FC plus net factor income from abroad. Thank you.